Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Google Pay app is updated and you're signed into the correct account. Once done, unlock your phone and open Google Pay. This reduces delays while you navigate settings. Tap the profile icon or menu to access payment settings because Autopay controls live under billing and subscriptions. Make sure to use the same account that set up the recurring charge, otherwise you'll look in the wrong place and the stop won't apply. Once in settings, navigate to payments, then subscriptions and services or payment methods depending on the update. Google groups recurring charges in either. Tap the specific merchant or subscription to reveal options. You'll see Manage, Cancel, or Remove. Choose the action that stops future billing. Canceling the subscription ends the service, while removing the saved payment method prevents further charges. If you prefer, switch to a different card instead. That redirects Autopay without canceling the service entirely. You finish by confirming the cancellation or removal. Tap Confirm and take a screenshot or note any confirmation number so you have proof. Once confirmed, check your email for the merchant's cancellation message and monitor the next billing date to ensure no charge appears. If the charge still shows up, contact the merchant first because some subscriptions are managed by them, then contact Google Pay support with your confirmation screenshot. This two-step approach resolves most lingering Autopay issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.